Welcome back to Degenerate EDC. EDC done degenerately. Special guest appearance, Cold Steel Medium Luzon. Today, we're here to unbox a knife the way your ex unboxed your emotional stability, recklessly and zero remorse. If this is your first time tuning in, please stay till the end, comment, like the video, subscribe, join me on this EDC journey, share with me what you love, share with me what you know. All right, so let's see what we got today. I know what it is because I ordered it, and it is a CJRB. Question is, which one is it? I know which one it is because I ordered it. I'm just trying to create some type of suspense here for the audience, for you fellow degenerates. This CJRB caught my attention as I was scrolling through the feed. And you know how that goes when you're scrolling through at 1 a.m. trying to fulfill this impulse buy desire. Well, nothing beats a late night purchase of a CJRB for under $50. Okay, I think it was under $50. I know I was like, I didn't want to spend a lot. And here we are. Here it is, CJRB Maileah. Maileah. Okay, honestly, how do you say it? In this seductive red G10 that looks like it was color matched to the blood of people who say, I don't need another knife. Yes, you do. And this one knows it. Just look at this handle. Small, compact, purpose-built. Now watch this. Front flipper action. This thing deploys smoother than your excuses for buying another blade. It's like CJRB said, what if we made a knife that disappears in your pocket but still whispers, I could ruin your whole day? Finesse? Absolutely. Control? Questionable. Self-respect? Gone. Like an absolute degenerate. This thing is so small, so light, yet built. So tough, comes with a liner lock that stays locked. Thumb deploy, easy. And it couldn't get any easier. But wait, we are degenerates. We don't stop at 2 deployments. We have a few more up our sleeves. Reverse flick. Oh, it loves the reverse flick. This little Maileah practically begs for it. It's like the knife equivalent of someone saying harder, and you oblige because you are a responsible adult with a hobby that concerns your family. AR RPM9 powder steel, razor sharp, ready to slice, cut, and remind you that therapy is cheaper than this addiction, but nowhere near as fun. I can go on all day about this little blaster, but I won't because I don't have all day. So if you want a compact red menace that flips every way you flip your life choices, the CJRB Maileah is calling your name. Red, hot lava thumb studs? That's a yes. That's a yes every time. This handle actually reminds me of my thumb. It's the exact same size. Holy crap, you see that? That is just absolutely degenerate. Hold on, let's lay it out on the table and get a full visual on the size difference here. And I wonder if this is how this knife was engineered. Who knows, right? One can only speculate. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. That way you can get your hands on the same exact CJRB. Maileah, Or is it Maileah? If you stayed with me to the end, you are an absolute degenerate, which makes you one of us. Subscribe. Join the Degenerate EDC tribe. Thanks for tuning in to this degeneracy.